Hello everyone, this is Waleed and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox my first ever drone. I'm super excited to unbox my first drone. Let's do it. We bought this drone from Amazon and the link is in the description. Without wasting any time, let's start unboxing it. So oh, amazing. This is okay, we'll discuss. So here's the drone. The drone we bought is Holy Stone HS series and the model is HS110D. Okay, so here's the drone. Basically this drone is for beginners, not for professionals, but you can use it for professional as well. I mean, mostly is for the beginners, and there are a lot of features. I mean, with their Wi-Fi, FP, altitude hold, and headless mode, 6-axis gyro, HD camera, 4-channel flip. But there are a lot of features we will discuss later. So let's open it. Wonderful. So there is a plastic cover on it, and oh my god, there is the drone. This is so pretty. This is so big. This is drone. Okay, and this is a transmitter. This is a holder for a phone, and there is some accessories. USB cable, a battery. Yeah, one is inside the drone and one is extra. Okay, so that's it. Oh, there is some. I can see there is I think a guidebook, a guide, instruction for use, a guide. Okay, so the package comes along with the 14 contacts. There is the list of the 14 contacts. I will tell you one by one. Here is first one complete drone, camera and lamps. It's 100% ready. A complete ready drone, fully installed drone. First. Second is a transmitter. Extra battery. Extra battery, and a USB cable for a charger to charge drone, and a holder for phone. So it's attached on the transmitter. You can attach it on the transmitter to hold the phone, and extra. I think this is land gear. This for a drone to land. A pair of extra land gear, and we have six protection guards you can use on the you can attach this on this side to protect the propellers, and we have some extra for propellers. There's something else for this. Oh, nice. What is this? So there are extra propellers, 4 propellers, and 2 lamp covers, and there's a little cute screwdriver, a little cute screwdriver, and kindly there are some screws and there is some small 4 motor gears in case if you're break you can replace it, I think. Yeah, very small. It's really small. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, 4, very cute. And other some 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 other screws. I think this is for maybe propellers, maybe. I think we'll check later. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of drone. So very soon I'm making another video in which I will tell you the features of this drone. This drone is for the beginners, but it have a lot of features which we will discuss in our upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can watch my other videos on drone. And in next video we'll check the drone quality and cameras quality and all other features. And so stay connected. Until next time, bye bye now.